Hi guys, today we will talk about how to renew hosting. So let's get started. The first thing is head over to your site, and on the top you will see multiple options. From these, you have to select the option hosting. Once you will select hosting, below you will see your plan, which you purchased on the Hostinger. Now, in order to renew it, click on these three dots, and below you will see the option of upgrade. Click on it. Once you will click on it, here you will see some options of hosting for 12-month, 24, or 48. So select any of these and click on the option Complete Payment. Now, it was the first way. The second way is click on the option building from the top. And here, you will see your all web hosting. From here, click on the option to renew. Now, when you'll click on Renew, your hosting will be the Renew. And these were the way by which you can do it easily.